Okay, hey, how everybody's doing today? Hope you're doing well. Wanted to go over a few things and some updates for this coming week that I think are very, very important for people to know. Uh, First, going over earnings, ANAT disappoints. No surprise here. Stock's quite extended. Almost hit 300 bucks. Started calling his name out under 200. I think in 180 area. So I'm looking for a pullback here. I think we go 258.50. This should allow us to be around that gap area here. Sorry, on the daily, and that's really what we want to see here is this gap up hold. If it doesn't, this can go down the races, and I think we see an even 240, 246. Have CPI tomorrow, so this could go either way. Right now, we're betting on this going the other way. But I think it needs to consolidate markets ahead of itself, and this is one name that is. Uh, Cadence Design Systems also a big disappointment after hours. Nice little double bottom here, but again, also not a name I favor here. Way overbought. I think this is better off in the 240 area as well. If you look at the daily chart here, I'd like to see it come all the way back here and retest this real support area around this 250 area, 255. Again, just another name extended here in this market. SPX hit the psychological 5,000 level here from this longer term breakout that we had marked out on the charts previously as we looked at. Like to see this pull back at least 5% here. Typically, when you hit a psychological level, we go sideways to down. And I think this is the company, NVIDIA, here that could send us the other way. Typically, chips lead us up. We had a nice breakout here at the 500 level after a nice consolidation on NVIDIA. I think we need to come all the way back here to the 600 level and retest here. If this thing continues going parabolic, then I think this market will have a blow off top eventually. So we need some healthy consolidation and help the breadth of the market. And this was your go-to signal today. If you missed it, Apple Computers rejecting up here off of VWAP and just cratering throughout the day after that move this morning here, and we just continued lower for that the rest of the day. If you miss this, then you miss this actual what the market was doing, and I think people have been conditioned to seeing this market go up, so they didn't see this coming. TNX also starting to base here as well on longer term charts. I think if this gets above this 4.2 area, then the tech stocks and the market could have some trouble. I'm seeing rotation into biotech and some other areas right now, and would like to see that continue so we can get some market breadth, especially in the oil and gas area. As you can tell, a lot of the big names here on your daily chart just in a huge consolidation phase and not really doing too much but going sideways. So here we got the momentum ETF on the daily, way above VWAP here, and like to see this come in. I think this will be a good short play coming in. We really don't have any real support here for quite some time. 150 area here. This could continue to, or not continue, but could start to change trend on us and look for a bigger move down here. So those are the names I have on my watch list coming up for this week. They have a lot of earnings name. I think Coin breaking out, and then JP Morgan saying go short. Throws my alarm bells up here to actually want to take a look at the stock. Nice consolidation after a breakout, and then a continued move up here, breaking at 135 area, and we took off. We did a video a few days ago on this around the 115 area, and if you got in that day, it was February 5th. We can post it down here in the nest. If you got in that day, then you're making very good returns. We started to exit this position and start to trim this position here today at the 150 area. So I think it's a little bit overextended. This could continue up if we have a weird CPI print tomorrow. And I think CPI could come in a little bit hotter than people are thinking with some of the shipping problems we've had in the past couple months, as well as the labor costs not really coming down for people. So that's what I have for you. Hope you have a great week. Like, subscribe to the video if you want to hear more. And these are the names coming in. Really nice breakout on some of these charts, and we need some heavy consolidation in the semi area. So look forward to that in the coming weeks and months. Talk to you soon.